Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Always ready to explore.
Great. Today we're getting into something I bet you use all the time without even realizing its full potential. We're talking about the tab key.
Woo, interesting. I use that one all the time.
Me too.
Yeah.
But I'll admit, for me, it's usually just for switching tabs in my web browser. But get this. Our source material today suggests there's a whole world of tab key mastery waiting for us. Who knew, right?
Yeah, it's one of those keys that's so basic, you almost forget about all the cool things it can do.
Exactly. So our source defines its main function as moving to the next cell to the right in a worksheet. Sounds pretty straightforward, right?
Definitely. I mean, think about it. When you're in a spreadsheet, that simple function can be a total game changer.
So you're saying it's more than just a simple function.
Absolutely. I mean,
Right.
picture yourself entering data into a massive table.
Ooh, yeah. Been there.
Instead of constantly clicking each cell with your mouse, you could just be hitting tab, tab, tab. You'd fly through that data entry.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Like when you're filling out forms online, for example.
Exactly. And the source points this out too. It's like this real-time example. You just picture yourself hitting tab, entering data, hitting tab again. It just makes the process so much smoother.
It's got to be way better for your wrist, too, right? All that clicking can't be good for you in the long run.
Oh, for sure. Avoiding repetitive strain injuries is always a good thing. Plus, think about the time you save.
Time is money, as they say.
Right. And speaking of efficiency, the source also mentions a super handy combo, Shift plus Tab.
Oh, yeah, I remember that. It's like hitting rewind, right?
Precisely. If you need to go back and fix a typo or double check a number, just hit Shift plus Tab and boom, you're right back where you started.
So much easier than having to click back with the mouse.
Right. And this gets me thinking maybe we're underestimating other keys on our keyboard too? Like, what about the space bar or even the enter key? Could they have hidden powers?
Ooh, I like where you're going with this.
It's like we use these keys every day, but have we really explored their full potential?
That is a great point, and something for all of us to think about. So, to recap what we learned today about the tab key, it's more than just a tab switcher. It can seriously streamline your workflow, especially in spreadsheets.
Absolutely. And don't forget about that Shift plus Tab combo.
Ooh, that's a good one. But even more importantly, maybe it's time we all took a closer look at our keyboards. You never know what other hidden shortcuts are waiting to be discovered.
It's like a whole new world of efficiency just waiting at our fingertips.
So keep those fingers nimble and get ready to unlock the full potential of your keyboard. Thanks for joining us for another deep dive, and we'll catch you next time.
See you then.